Basic Spanish, Program 2, The Family. Let's meet the Guzmans and Hispanic family. Here we have the father,
el padre,
and the mother.
la madre.
Note the two different words for the. El used with the word designating the male, and la used with the word designating the female. Who is this? Correcto. Their children, Pedro and Elena, are el hijo and la hija. Remembering that el padre is the father and la madre is the mother, which do you think means the daughter? Verdad. That's right. And which do you think means the brother? Eso es. Does la abuela mean? Muy bien. Spanish words naming or designating persons, places, or things, nouns, are classified in two groups, masculine and feminine. Nouns referring to males are masculine, and those referring to females are feminine. Is the word madre a masculine or a feminine noun? Bueno. It is very important to know if a Spanish noun is masculine or feminine because words that refer to or describe a noun have to be of the same gender. That is why you say
El padre,
the father, but
la madre.
the mother. If you see the word el with a noun, is that noun masculine or feminine? Sí. You may already have noticed that the word for brother,
Hermano,
ends in an O, and the word for sister,
hermana,
ends in an A. Son is
hijo,
while daughter is,
hija,
and grandfather and grandmother are,
abuelo,
and
abuela.
la prima means the cousin. How can you tell it means a female cousin? Correcto. You know that the is different depending upon whether the noun is masculine or feminine.
El hermano, la hermana.
Other words that refer to or describe a noun often show their matching or agreement by their ending. If
El padre es alto.
means the father is tall, write what you guess is missing in the daughter is tall.
Come on. I don't know how to get to...
And
la hija,
a son and a daughter are
un hijo,
and.
una hija.
The Spanish for a or an is un before a masculine noun and una before a feminine noun. Which word for a do you use with hermano? Eso es. And how do you say a sister? Verdad. If un tío means an uncle, what does una tía mean?
Oh, shit.
Muy bien. You have learned that nouns that name or designate specific people are masculine or feminine, depending upon the people to whom they refer. All other nouns are also either masculine or feminine, but since obviously their gender cannot be learned by meaning, it has to be learned other ways. Guess which is the masculine noun, cuarto or casa? Sí.
La familia Guzmán,
The Guzman family lives in
una casa.
a house.
La casa,
The house has
una puerta,
a door and
una ventana.
a window. You can tell that familia, casa, puerta, and ventana are feminine because of la and una, or by their ending, since most nouns ending in a are feminine. Is cocina, kitchen, masculine or feminine? Eso es.
La familia Guzmán,
Lives in
el campo.
the country. They have
Un auto,
a car,
un perro,
a dog, and
un gato.
a cat. You can tell that campo, auto, perro, and gato are masculine because of el and un, or by their ending, since most nouns ending in o are masculine. Is patio, patio, masculine or feminine? Muy bien. There are a few exceptions to the rule that nouns ending in O are masculine and those ending in A are feminine. Two important ones are
El día,
the day, which is masculine, and
la mano.
the hand, which is feminine. Type in the correct words to say a day and a hand.
Los Guzmán,
The Guzmans received
una invitación,
an invitation to
la graduación,
the graduation of a friend Martín. As you may have guessed, nouns ending in ción are feminine. Most of them have English cognates ending in tion. What is the gender of conversación, conversation? Correcto. After his graduation, Martín will attend
una universidad,
a university in
la ciudad.
the city. Nouns ending in dad are feminine. As you can see from the examples here, the dad ending often parallels the English ty ending. How do you suppose you say the activity in Spanish? sí. The gender of nouns that end in something other than o, a, sion, or dad just has to be learned.
La llave, el garaje, la luz, el reloj.
Write the correct words to say the key and the clock. Eso es. To indicate more than one, to form the plural, nouns ending in a vowel add s.
Casa, casas. Libro, libros. Llave, llaves.
What is the plural of madre? Claro, of course. Nouns ending in a consonant add es for the plural.
Tren, trenes. Reloj, relojes. Árbol, árboles.
Form the plural of ciudad, city. Bueno. Nouns ending in z change the z to c when they are made plural.
Luz, luces. Lápiz, lápices.
Una vez means one time, once. How do you say sometimes?
What?
Muy bien. Nouns ending in sion drop the written accent when made plural.
Invitación, invitaciones. Conversación, conversaciones. Nación, naciones.
Does lecciones, lessons, the plural of lección, need an accent? Bueno. Just as nouns change form for the plural, so does the word for the.
El hermano, los hermanos. El árbol, los árboles. La hermana, las hermanas. La ciudad, las ciudades.
Type the proper word for the.
Come on.
Excelente.
Los padres,
Means the fathers. It also can mean the parents. Masculine plural nouns referring to people can be used for a couple or for a mixed group. Remember
el abuelo,
the grandfather and
la abuela,
the grandmother? What does los abuelos mean? Bravo. To say the aunt and uncle, you can say,
el tío y la tía.
how else can you say the aunt and uncle? Claro. which means the brothers and sisters. Verdad. Some, the plural of a or an, is unos and unas.
Una casa.
A house,
Unas casas.
some houses.
Un libro.
A book,
Unos libros.
some books.
Una llave.
A key,
Unas llaves.
some keys. How do you say some cousins, males or a mixed group? Muy bien. And some friends, females, is bueno.
Pedro es el hijo de Juan.
Pedro is Juan's son. This literally means Pedro is the son of Juan. How would you say Juan is Pedro's father? Excelente.
¿Quién es el padre de Juan?
Means who is Juan's father. ¿Quién es el padre de Juan? Sí.
¿Es Elena prima de Ana?
Eso es. If
¿Quién es el abuelo de Carlos?
asks who is Carlos' grandfather, what does this question ask?
¿Quiénes son los abuelos de Carlos?
Bien.
¿Quiénes son los tíos de Ana?
Fuck. Okay.
Bueno. How are Pedro and Elena related? Verdad.
Juan es el esposo de María.
Juan is Maria's husband.
María es la esposa de Juan.
Maria is Juan's wife. How is Tomas related to Luisa? Muy bien.
¿Quiénes son los primos de Pedro?
Eso es. Juan's full name is
Juan Guzmán Pereda.
Juan is his given name. Guzman and Pereda are his last names. Guzman is his father's family name, and Pereda is his mother's family name. How many family names, apellidos, does Juan have? Claro. Her name didn't change, but she can add to it de Guzman, meaning wife of Guzman.
María Vargas García de Guzmán.
Their son Pedro has two last names. The first is his father's first last name. The second is his mother's first last name. What is Pedro's full name? Muy bien. Though a person has two family names, ordinarily the second one, the mother's family name, is not used. So, how will Pedro Guzman Vargas usually be called and usually write his name? Is Rosalía Mendoza Ortiz the daughter of Fernando Mendoza and Olga Ortiz, or of Fernando Ortiz and Olga Mendoza? Excelente.
Okay, this one's broke and I'm not going to start over. So that's all you get.